Factory resetting your Skoda Fabia III's infotainment system restores it to its original default settings. This erases all your personal data, including paired devices like phones, saved radio stations, navigation history, and any custom configurations you've made. It's like starting fresh with the system, fixing software glitches and improving performance. Common reasons to factory reset include frozen screens, audio problems, Bluetooth connectivity failures, and compatibility issues after software updates. It's also recommended before selling the car to erase personal data or simply to restore default settings. The Skoda Fabia III, produced from 2014 to 2021, features one of 3 infotainment systems that can be factory reset. The Swing system offers basic radio functionality with a monochrome display, available in models from 2014 to 2018. The Bolero system provides a color touchscreen for enhanced control, found in 2015 to 2018 models. The Amundsen system includes advanced features like navigation, available from 2015 to 2021. The factory reset procedure works for all 3 systems, though menu names may differ slightly depending on the version. First, turn on your Skoda Fabia III's infotainment system by starting the vehicle or pressing the power button. Next, navigate to the Setup menu, which is usually found on the main screen of the infotainment system. From the Setup menu, look for options like System, Factory Reset, or similar. Note that on some models, you may find Factory Reset directly under the Settings menu. Once you've found the Factory Reset option, select it using the touchscreen or buttons. The system will likely ask for confirmation to proceed with the reset. You might need to enter a PIN or security code. Check your owner's manual for the code. After confirming, the system will begin the reset process, which usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Do not turn off the ignition during this time to avoid interrupting the process. After the factory reset, the infotainment system will automatically reboot. This process takes a few minutes as the system restores to its default state. Once rebooted, you'll need to repair your phone with the system using Bluetooth. This restores connectivity for calls, music streaming, and contacts. Next, set your preferred radio stations. You'll need to scan and save your favorite FM or AM stations, as the reset clears all saved presets. Re-enter your navigation preferences, including home address, favorite destinations, and route settings. Use the navigation screen to input these details. Adjust any other settings you had customized, such as display brightness, audio preferences, or driver assistance features. Have any required passwords handy, such as for Wi-Fi connections or system security codes, as you'll need these to complete the reconfiguration. Here are some important cautions and tips before performing a factory reset on your Skoda Fabia III infotainment system. First, back up any important data such as contacts and saved addresses before resetting if possible. This preserves your personalized settings and prevents data loss during the factory reset process. Second, ensure your car battery is sufficiently charged to avoid any interruptions during the reset. A weak battery can cause the process to fail or leave your system in an unstable state. Third, if the factory reset doesn't resolve your issue, consider consulting a Skoda technician or certified mechanic. They have the expertise to diagnose hardware problems that a reset can't fix. Finally, always consult your vehicle's owner manual first. It contains specific instructions for your model and important safety precautions to follow during the reset procedure. If your infotainment system remains unresponsive after a factory reset, try disconnecting the car battery for several minutes and then reconnecting it. This can clear deeper electrical issues while ensuring safety precautions. As a final option, a software update through USB might resolve persistent problems, but this complex procedure should be performed by a qualified professional to avoid damaging the system. For specific troubleshooting advice, consult online Skoda forums, where owners and experts share solutions for common issues, including detailed guides and community support.